All right, folks, we are back. Welcome back to Broader Financial Future. In today's video, we're going to go over Visa, MasterCard, and a little bit about American Express. We're going to look at their dividend, their price, what's going on with each company, and what are my thoughts overall on which one is the better deal at the moment. All right, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It really helps out the channel. We're almost at 600 subs. We just need a couple more subs to get us going. I talk about dividend stocks, ETFs, index funds, and more. So you don't want to miss any videos. In addition, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps out the channel and it puts a smile on my face. It makes me feel good. And hopefully it makes you feel the same. And it costs you absolutely nothing. All right, folks, and stay tuned. All right, we're going to jump straight in today's video, starting with Visa. So, a couple of things with Visa is it operates as a payment technology company worldwide. The company facilitates digital payments among consumers, merchants, and financial institutions and businesses. So, let's take a look at their dividend. So, Visa has a dividend payout ratio of 26.64%. Their dividend growth rate for 1 year is 25%. And their dividend growth rate for the past 5 years is 21.78%. And they raised their dividend for over 10 consecutive years. And they currently have a dividend yield of 0.71%. So let's talk about the good things. The payout ratio is really low, so they can continue to raise the dividend. They have grown the dividend at a substantial rate, and they've done it 10 years consecutively. On the negative side, their dividend yield is very low at 0.71%. When you're looking at this company, I look at the dividend as a bonus, but overall, I'm looking at the upside when it comes to this particular stock, especially long term. If you're looking for the stock for um, just for cash, as far as just you want income now, this company probably won't be that for you. But you're looking at long term growth with a bit of a dividend. This is something worth looking into. All right. So let's look at the market capitalization. It's $451 billion. So this is a huge company, and out of the three, it's the largest when it comes to market cap. And the revenue growth is 10.34%. And if you look at their revenue growth for the 5 years, 9.83%. In addition, if you look at the bottom, their shares outstanding has consistently been lowered since 2018. So they're buying back shares. So you're not being diluted as a shareholder. So that's important to look at and see, is the company actually selling shares? They're actually buying back and are also giving a dividend as well. So that's good to see there. In addition, when you look at the 50-day moving average at $225, the 200-day moving average is $231, and the 52-week high is $252. Looking at all three of those numbers, it is currently trading below the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, and the 52-day week high. So it's trading at a good valuation. So you're getting a good discount here. So it's trading at a 17% discount compared to its 52-week high. In addition, if you take the Yahoo uh, price target of $275, it has a potential upside of 20%. So you're looking at currently the stock is on discount. In addition, you have a 20% uptick within the next year if you're basing off Yahoo price targets. But I think overall, looking at the current discount, since this company been on a bit of a slide, especially within the last week, it's definitely a company worth considering, especially since a lot of people are moving from cash to credit card payments to online payments and so forth. That's the reason why I have these companies listed. In addition, we have MasterCard. Now, MasterCard is another great company. It's basically the same thing like Visa. It's a credit card company that processes payments throughout the United States and worldwide. Now, when we look at their payout ratio, it's low as well at 21.65%. It also has a dividend growth rate of 10% within the last year, and on average for the past 5 years, 18.29%. Now, they can consecutively increase their dividends for over 5 years, not as long as Visa, but they are continuing to grow their dividend as well and have a low payout ratio. Now, their dividend yield is a bit lower than Visa at 0.53%. So, when you're buying these companies, you're more so looking at the growth potential of a particular stock, but also it does offer a bit of a kickback in the form of a dividend. Anytime a company offers a dividend, like even Microsoft has a low dividend, I'm always happy to get those dividends no matter what. Something is better than nothing, especially when you're looking at companies like Microsoft, Visa. I'm buying those specifically for the growth potential, including Apple as well. At least they give you something when it comes to Amazon, Tesla. It's all growth, no dividend included in those particular stocks. All right. Their market capitalization is $328 billion. So it is a huge company. It is lower than Visa. The revenue growth is in the trailing 12 months versus the prior 12 months is 14.6%. And the revenue growth for the 5 year period has been about 9.62%. In addition, just like Visa, they are buying back shares as you see on the chart below. So you're not being diluted as a shareholder. All right, so moving on. So just like Visa is trading below its 50-day moving average, its 200-day moving average, and its 52-week high. So overall, MasterCard is trading at about an 18% discount. And on the upside, if you look at Yahoo price target of $432, you can see a potential gain of 31%. So a little bit more potential here when it comes to a discount and upside. So Visa and MasterCard, there's definitely some buying opportunities at its current evaluation, in my opinion. All right, last but not least, we're going to take a look at American Express. Now, American Express out of the three has the lowest PE of 18. It has the highest dividend yield of 0.99%, but it did not increase its dividend. So it has a zero dividend growth rate because it didn't do it, I believe, last year. It does have the lowest market capitalization of 138 billion. So there is some potential to grow as a company. But when you look on the upside, it's about 9%, trading it at about an 8% discount. So the upside, in my opinion, is not as much based off the Yahoo price target. But obviously, I'm just using that as an example. Your opinion, it may be more. It does have some room to grow when you look at the market capitalization. So there is room to grow there. But to be honest, I do not know a lot of people with American Express. I see Visa more than anything and then MasterCard, but there's some opportunities for American Express to grow. So there you have it. Overall, I want to give a couple of more quick bits when it comes to Visa and MasterCard. They are making moves into the crypto space. Visa is partnering with Coinbase, Circle, and FTX, among others. MasterCard said it has tapped Georgia-based digital wallet company BAKKT to begin offering cryptocurrency products and services to its partners in the United States. And as a result, the partnership companies will be able to offer cryptocurrency as rewards for transaction in lieu of traditional loyalty points, and customers will be able to spend their crypto holdings to pay for purchases, said MasterCard. So I think this is a good way for MasterCard to really tap into that young demographic, especially people who love cryptocurrency, a way to get, instead of cash rewards, points instead. So I think that's good overall when it comes to MasterCard. Overall, I feel Visa and MasterCard are on sale compared to American Express. I think American Express had a nice little run up. There's still room to grow for all three, specifically American Express, but I like Visa and MasterCard more right now. People are using credit cards and debits over cash these days, and I feel like you can't go wrong with either company, but for me, I'm gonna look into buying either Visa or MasterCard and add it to my retirement portfolio. Let me know your thoughts below. What card do you actually use? Do you use Visa, MasterCard, or American Express? Let me know what part of the world are you in, because I know these cards are offered depending on where you're at. You might see one over the other. Visa right now, I believe worldwide is the leader, but the other ones have room to grow as well. And also, let me know if you own these stocks. Do you plan on owning these stocks? Leave your thoughts below. And just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are strictly for entertainment purposes only, and any investment may involve risk. So it's important you do your own homework. And that's pretty much it, folks. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Check out the links below to help support the channel. Until next time, peace.